Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we'll discuss about matrix representation of linear equations. In our last class, we clearly discussed about row and column view of linear equations. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, see here the system of linear equations. Take this example: 2x plus 5y is equal to 20 and 3x plus 6y is equal to 12. These equations can be represented in the form of matrices. How we are going to represent 2, 3 first column, 5, 6 second column. This can be represented in the matrix A multiplied by what are the unknown variables. X and Y are the variables that are not known. We have to identify them. That can be represented as a vector X, X comma Y, XY. So matrix A multiplied by vector equal to, you are going to get a vector 2012. See, the output is 2012. This vector we call it as B. So AX equal to B. These two are same. Why those two are same? See how we are going to do matrix multiplication. Take the first row and multiply with these columns. So 2x plus 5y equal to 20. Similarly, take the second row, multiply with this column, 3x plus 6y equal to 12. This is how matrix multiplication is done. With example, we will go. If you solve these equations, the values which we got for x and y are x is equal to minus 20, y is equal to 12. Now let's take an example how this matrix multiplication is done. 2, 3, 5, 6, this is the matrix A multiplied with x, y. X is minus 20 and y is 12. When you do the matrix multiplication, 2 multiplied by minus 20 plus 5 multiplied by 12, which is equal to 20. Similarly, second row multiplied with 3 multiplied by minus 20 plus 6 multiplied by 12, that is equal to 12. So you got the output 20, 12. So AX equal to B. This is how we represent our system of linear equations. And the second thing you need to understand here is this matrix multiplication is done in a row wise. Similarly, matrix multiplication is done in column wise also. How we are going to do that? We take this example. Let's take AX equal to B. This can be represented as how we are going to do the multiplication is column wise multiplication. Minus 20 multiplied by first column. Minus 20 multiplied by first column. Plus 12 multiplied by second column. Whatever the way you did the multiplication, both are going to give you the same output. That is the point you need to understand. See how we are going to do this multiplication operation. Minus 20 multiplied by 2, which is minus 40. Minus 20 multiplied by 3, minus 60. Plus 12 multiplied by 5 and 12 multiplied by 6. These two vectors, if you added, you are going to get 2012. So whatever the way the multiplication operation you have done, you are going to get the same output. But from now onwards, AX multiplication, matrix A multiplied by X, this can be, we are going to visualize in the form of column multiplication. Because in our last class, we clearly discussed that row and column view, which one we are going to follow? Column view is going to be followed. This is exactly matching to the column view. That's why from now onwards, whenever we say it as the system of linear equations is represented in the form of AX equal to B, whenever we discuss about these two multiplication, means we are going to do it in a column wise multiplication. Anyhow you do it in the row wise multiplication, it is going to get the same answer. Hope you understand the matrix representation of the linear equations. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.